Shear Revival Crystal Lake. You're gonna love it. Hi guys, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this new video. This is the first product review I've got of 2019, my first hair product review. I actually had to look back and I haven't done a hair product review in so long. I did Brand Battle obviously, and that was 2 products, but this one is a dedicated one just to Shear Revival Crystal Lake. Now guys, if you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then do hit that subscribe button right now. It is just below this video. Now this is not a new brand. This brand was started in 2013 in New Jersey, and they're very much of that home brewers. Now I've got my eyes really on these guys, and all these other home brewers. I've just seen so many great products that I've been trying that you guys really have surfaced to me and told me to try. And Shear Revival is one of those brands. Now this is Crystal Lake. It is a water-based pomade, and it says medium hold, natural finish. Now this is a really mindful brand, I should say that, and that's something I think that we should be keeping our eyes open to. It does say mindful on the jar, but really what this means is that they keep wellness and ingredients right at the core of their business. And actually guys, I really liked this quote they had on their site, which says, "Made by the mindful for the honest and earnest." Now into the aesthetics and looking at packaging, I really like this. I think it looks premium in this sort of apothecary brown jars. Then you've got the labels on it. And again, it's got this really great finish of the gloss to it. It's not just one of those products that they just bung on some really badly positioned label. It looks and feels good. And then into the smell, guys, again, you know, I always say I'm not that bothered about smell, but this smells great. It doesn't smell like, it smells, I would say it smells clean. And if you know what I mean by that, if you don't, then it just doesn't smell like it's bunged full of chemicals like you get with so many products out there. This does have a coconut, vanilla and herb scent, but to me it actually has a sort of sweetness to it, and I think it is from that coconut, but also maybe the mango. Now they say that their products are handmade with quality plant-derived ingredients, and you can see that on the side here at the top. You've got aloe, so it makes it water-based. You've then got Kira alba, beeswax. You've got castor, mango, very small writing, grape, various other seed oils, arrowroot, lavender, so packed full of loads of good things. And I would say that's what I've really noticed in this. A lot of the more sort of high street or drugstore water-based pomades, if you think of them, they almost look like jelly-like. You get them in, they dry hard, and they tend to go flaky, almost like a sort of old school, very cheap gel. This doesn't do that. This feels creamier, as we're gonna see in the consistency, and it doesn't dry hard. You know, as I mentioned there, it is a creamy product, but it does have a slight stiffness to it. So it's not that sort of cream that just scoops out and goops everywhere. It does have a slight resistance to it. That said, it is very easy to get into the hands and emulsify before applying to the hair. And applying is so smooth. No tug, no pull, but enough resistance to know that when you get into the styling, you can start to build volume if you want it up and back like a pomp, or if you want a slick back, you want a side part, or you can do really as I've done here, which is just to really go with a natural way that the hair grows, putting a bit of volume onto the part and then just sweeping across. And you can see that's the sort of look I've gone for, but it is really versatile. And in the time that I tried it for the hold, I went against the way that it went. I should say, you know, I have been using this product on and off and some of the other Shear Revival ones for about 6 months. Now, well, the finish is very true. This is another thing that I like about it. You know, they say medium hold, natural finish, and that's exactly what it looks like. You know, there is a natural shine. This is just the hair with no hairspray. It looks and feels good. And in terms of price, you know, this is a really standard home brewer's price. This is $17 on their site. I also found in other places, UK, US, for $18, £18. So for a 4 ounce, 113 gram tub, I think it's great. You know, also you're not using that much product. And it's value because the product is doing as it's supposed to. And that leads perfectly really onto my verdict and if I would recommend this. And that is 100% yes. I've really enjoyed this product. You know, I've continued to use this really throughout this week and last week. And then before that, I was going off and on with it just to get a sort of flavor for it. But I think it's great. I think it delivers. I think it'll suit guys with fine hair to thick hair because you've got enough styling power to keep it where you want it, but you're also able to work through it throughout the day. So it's gonna keep it looking styled, but not overdone. And that's exactly what I'm liking more into this year. But thank you very much for watching. I should say, if you've used this product, you want to show other guys and girls, hi, how it's worked for you, then please do go to manroomself.com. I've got the product page for this. You can upload a picture, pop your Instagram on, and also give a little or large review. It's totally up to you. But thank you again. If you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then hit it. It is just there. So some more video suggestions there. Stay with me and watch them. Head to the blog and the product page is there. Instagram and podcast are there. But I'll see you in my next new video. Bye-bye.